In this question, you have to identify which cell organelle contain hydrolytic enzymes. Option A, ribosome. It is incorrect because these are involved in protein synthesis and does not contain hydrolytic enzymes. Option B, mesosome. It is also incorrect because mesosome are enfoldings of the plasma membrane in prokaryotes and are involved in various cellular processes like respiration and cell division, but they do not contain hydrolytic enzymes. Option C, lysosome. Now, lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles that contain hydrolytic enzymes. And these enzymes are responsible for breaking down biomolecules like proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, as well as cellular wastage and foreign materials. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, microsome. It is also incorrect because microsomes are fragments of the endoplasmic reticulum and are involved in enzymatic activities like drug metabolism, but they do not contain hydrolytic enzymes.